Thought it was simple, heart like a switch, on or off, clean cut, then you both hit. Coffee with her, midnight with you, same hand shaking, what am I supposed to choose? Oh, you're screaming, I'm split in two, tearing down the middle for you. One heart, two fires, what do I do? I'm split in two, split in two. Your laugh, her eyes, both in my head. Two names tangled, knotted in the same bed. I keep on running, but I stay in place. Two different futures pressed in the same face. I'm split in two, tearing down the middle for you. One heart, two fires, what do I do? I'm split in two. If I let go of one, do I lose myself? If I